penalty engeni. Unampe mde matot. Good luck. We are going to Smith. Matas, captain of Pagani. What again? Come on, go. Give me the man. You know, I can't the penalty. What am I penalty? Out something. Okay. What then? Smith. Namtombe. What then? Penalty. Advantage. Stars. Why can't you Magiu Smith, captain of Mapagani? Nagabu captain of Lilo. In advantage, you're not going to get it. It starts. Estamos esperando a vai cambiar el penalti. Estaba en advantage. Lead. Beba gam Lilo. Bena go Shane. Lilo no Shane. Captain get away again. It starts. Yellow goes to bleed. Lilo. Hang on. Advantage, Stars. Guma Pagani, I go to get Omari. But I was a man. Job on a Pagain Tamuloga. You're talking Pumana. Province. Nani Campbell, Natalie Gallagher. We have one of the criminals. One hand of the we have one of the bait. What is what a painting? What a very shy penalty. I'm going to shy penalty. Marico. Marico. Yeah. I never forgot to put away another Marico. Hello to Mapa, hello to Gali. Don't want to tell la pecca, ma la casa de con il bo. Liscio di Baike, Chini penat. We are going to imagine a pocket skeleton. Spence get penalty speed. E stops. Skeleton, mi ha busto right, okay. Porque pelo menos la pega em ti. Skadem no Shane. Skadem. Let's get penalty speed. Skadem. Never forgot to go Skadem. Orlando Pirates 1. Catholic Stars 2. Well, shy penalty. They start the Pirates. We are in a Payanaga Fuke, Mapagani. Mapagani. Puka. Yeah, the Pagam Fuke. The Mangatake, he was a good game. Mapagani. The 90 people in Penalty Tombe. We are going Fuke. We are again Fukeng. Fukeng! Hey! I never wear when you got to goalkeeper. Where when you got to the goalkeeper. When they got to get Fukeng. Depending again, yeah, it's starting. Yeah, we're playing Catholic Stars. phakathi ibhola ke unani siyetha kancane ihlanzi kuyena ke ucoach owatu ucoach ke wamapakaniya kuya manje ke wapolice kuwona ke amapakaniya kuya ke wapolice kuwona ke amapakaniya uyoshaya ipenalty esine amapakaniya uyabhala uyacisha lapha ke Mtombeni kuya ke wapolice Hema manje ke police uma nje khona la eduze ya police Apollos Beka phakathi ibhola ke Apollos 3-3 mathathu ngale kodwa ke uya lapha manje ke yona ke iCastle Stars mayiskora la iCastle Stars ake wazima ngempela ke kuwona amapakaniya uya lapha yena kuManqoba uya ke Manqoba ke penalty ongena nje manje ke lapha ke inako Manqoba Osweman nansi ke penalty jobona ke 3-3 bake skora pasabana 4 Stars Manqoba mana kuliya sisha Manqoba penalty Manqoba izintanganye manje kuya uMbuthuma penalty ekugcina amapakaniya kuya ke uMbuthuma hayi uThabatsana silungise lapha kuya uThabatsana hayi Thabatsana ke awukhethe ke left kuya ke uThabatsana kuya ke Future bake skora advantage mapakaniya bake geja advantage Stars kodwa bo left ngiyabathemba sikhathi esiningi bo left hayi ngiyabathemba hayi noma unganikini ikhadi Thabatsana Future mabhakabhaka kwenzenjani wakamapiliti advantage Castle Stars sime ngeenyawo ke manje mbukeli sime ngeenyawo manje ke bebeyiskora iCastle Stars iyaligeza ijezi on the Pirates kuya ke uThikasi madoda kuya ke uThikasi kusuka lapha kuMamkhize Royal AM Uthikasi adlala ke 82 games waskora ke 12 goals ithemba lamapakaniya uyena lapha ke uChain make iskora iyaligeza ijezi on the Pirates ngo 250,000 rands kuba nje umoya ngapha nangapha make iskora kuphelile ngamapakaniya amaqembu amathathu madoda amakhulu eNingizimu Afrika ngenzakala aligeza ijezi sibekwa nje amakhosi amasandawana amapakaniya lezo umuntu namhlanje football will kill you Thikasi bayivimba abuya amathemba kumapakaniya umadoda wasebenza ngempela ke Sipho Shane Thikasi winning penalty ndoda wasebenza uSipho Shane engathi kuye uMbuthuma kumapakaniya kuya uMbuthuma ke isari mdenti ke manje Buthuma ke wayikhetha ipenalty imbukeli amabhakane esharp-ke iset eloyi Limpopo wayikhetha nje totally yina-ke phake uButhuma nge-25 zika-October kulo nyaka ophelile. Buthuma hey unespeed na beke ngishayi ngoButhuma beke ngishayi hayi Buthuma lebe phakathi khona ke Buthuma advantage Mapagania bayakhombana abadlali balo mbukele i-Stars halfway line bayakhombana ke abadlali Buthuma ibeke phakathi zabubheka kuyabani ke advantage on the Pirates fikazi uphizela mhlawumbe ke ipenalty ibeke phakathi bayibhini Mebane Sipho Shane Mebane hey kunzima but football uthini Mebane beka phakathi phela ke Mebane zikusale 10 ukhumbule makusale 10 imbukeli nabo goalkeeper bazoshaya bangabe abadala balishumi mhlawumbe baskori nabo goalkeeper bazoshaya bese kuphinde ke qala phansi zama ukubheka ukuthi la kuzela kuqasha khona ama-penalty amaningi washanje ipenalty engayindawo lapha yena kundawo kodwa manje ula kumabhakaniya ndaba zabantu Mthombeni akavimi nepenalty yona ayogeza amaphela abadlali bamabhakaniya kuya uNdaba naphela uleft ke uNdaba Ndaba yebo kanti kwakhala nyonini kubadlali bamabhakaniya abadlala emuva kwenzenjani mabhakaniya mabhakabhaka kwenzenjani yeni ngisazi Indaba wayikhetha ipenalty edlela ku-Richards Bay advantage Castle Stars ubani ozothembayo Castle Stars wakha amabhilidi uNdaba mantwana nashaya nje lapha ke ku-upright hayi Mthombeni naye usukile madoda ubani oyithembayo ngaphandle sithembe sakho uMthombe udawayo madoda angadlali kanjani shaya ipenalty phakathi engathi kuya lapha ke umsweni kuya lapha yena umsweni Castle Stars ithuba elokuthi uye kuma-quarter finals for the first time Castle Stars nebeshaya phakathi le-penalty amabhakaniya aligeza ijezi ngo-250,000 rands ayokhala ayithulisa sibosheni ngisasho mbukeli-ke uNompembe uzomele amkhombe ngomunye amambhali ngapha-ke ulokhu uyazula kanti phezu ngabe ulapha emapalini Mthweni ngabe uyaskora uma kwenzenjani Mthweni imini Mpumalanga province ikulindile Mthweni ngabe amabhakaniya aligeza Mthweni ijezi amabhakaniya iyahamba mbukeli yona i-Castle Stars ishaya amabhakaniya ngama-penalty yaduma lapha ke eMpumalanga